I will show you how this beautiful bonnet is made. I use this pattern, lace fabric, soft mesh, and floral appliques. First, I'll be cutting the front piece from lace fabric. Next, cutting the back piece. I am using the mesh fabric as a lining. Now I will be cutting the brim piece. Joining bonnet back piece with the lining piece. Stitch around it. The brim piece needs to be gathered. Let's attach gathered brim piece to the lace part of the bonnet. Pin it in place. Then stitch it. Once it is stitched, let's add the lining, the soft mesh piece. Again we pin it, and then stitch it with the machine. Once that's done, let's press it well. I always press after each sewing steps. It makes the quality and the look of the garment better. Now we have the lace and lining joined, and brim of the bonnet sewn in. It is time to add floral appliques. I add one to the center. Pin it in place. The second applique, I cut in half and place smaller pieces on each side. I just play around with the placement of them to see what looks best. I also want to add small butterfly here. Now we have to stitch the appliques in place. I will do it partially with machine and partially by hand. This is very meticulous job. Have to slowly sew around flowers and leaves where possible. And where is not possible, I will have to sew it by hand. So here we have finished front part of bonnet. I marked the center of it. Also, I marked the center on the bonnet back piece. And then I joined the two pieces together, aligning the centers of both. Pin it around and then sew it with the machine. It is sewn and overlocked. Pressing it carefully. And then I have to make a space for the tie of the bonnet. I will use satin ribbon for the tie. Final touch, adding the butterfly with couple of pearl beads. Sewing it in nicely by hand. And here is our finished bonnet, with 3D flowers, butterfly and pearls. Perfect for baby blessing or christening. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.